Welcome to Black Rock Inspired. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 ways to be self-confident. These tips and strategies will help you feel more empowered and self-assured in your personal and professional life. So whether you're looking to improve your self-confidence in social situations, work, or personal relationships, these tips can help you feel more confident. So let's get started. 1. Engage in physical activities. What do you mean by physical activities? I mean any exercise or movement that increases your heart rate and gets your body moving. It can include running, swimming, lifting weights, or playing a sport. Engaging in physical activity has numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. Physically, regular exercise can help improve cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and flexibility while also improving overall physical fitness. In addition, these improvements can boost self-confidence as you become more capable of physical tasks. Mentally, physical activity can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood and sleep, and increase feelings of accomplishment and self-esteem. These mental health benefits can also contribute to an overall increase in self-worth. In general, you engaging in physical activity can improve your physical and mental health, which can, in turn, boost self-confidence. 2. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparing ourselves to others can hold us back from building self-confidence. Unfortunately, we often compare ourselves to other people in various areas of life, whether it's our appearance, our career, or our relationships. But when we do this, it can lead to feelings of envy and can ultimately harm our self-esteem. It's easy to get caught up in evaluating ourselves about others, even people we don't know so well, especially with the abundance of social media platforms that allow us to see what people are doing and achieving. However, it's crucial to understand that these platforms often only show the highlights of someone's life and not the whole picture. By comparing ourselves to others, we may feel envious or inadequate, which can negatively impact our self-confidence. Instead of measuring ourselves against people, we must focus on our strengths and successes. Keeping a gratitude journal can help us remember the areas of our lives where we are blessed and can help us focus on our journey. Remember, everyone has their unique path, and it's important to celebrate our achievements and progress rather than comparing ourselves to people. 3. Good fashion sense. Your choice of clothing plays a role in how you present yourself to others and can affect your confidence and attitude. A high-quality, well-tailored dress can make you feel more confident and capable, enabling you to tackle challenges at work and in your personal life. In addition, research has shown that having a strong sense of style can change how you view and approach situations. Therefore, it is essential to take care of your appearance and ensure that your clothes are clean and presentable, as they can contribute to your self-confidence. Another reason for having a good fashion sense is it motivates you to be your best self. Wearing clothes that make you feel good about yourself and reflect your style can boost your self-esteem and help you feel more confident in various situations. For example, if you feel confident and stylish in a particular outfit, you may be more likely to initiate conversations and interact with others positively and securely. On the other hand, if you feel self-conscious or uncomfortable in your clothes, you may be more likely to hold back and not fully participate in social situations. 4. Change the company you keep. The people you spend time with can significantly influence your self-confidence and overall well-being. If you frequently feel negative or judged after being with specific individuals, it may be helpful to distance yourself from them. Instead, try to surround yourself with people who are supportive, uplifting, and non-judgmental. These individuals can help boost your self-confidence and cultivate a positive attitude. In addition to emotional support, being around positive people can also be contagious. Their positive outlook and mindset can rub off on you, helping to improve your outlook and confidence. On the other hand, being around negative or critical people can have the opposite effect, potentially diminishing your self-confidence and mood. Remember, the company you keep can significantly impact your self-confidence and overall outlook on life. So choose to surround yourself with positive, supportive people who can help boost your confidence and well-being. 5. Practice positive self-talk. Negative self-talk is common for many people and can take the form of critical or negative thoughts about oneself. These thoughts can be triggered by various situations, such as failure, rejection, or criticism, leading to low self-worth, self-doubt, and low self-confidence. Negative self-talk can damage one's mental health and affect how a person views themselves and their abilities. It can also lead to negative emotions such as sadness, anxiety, and frustration, and can even impact behavior, leading to avoidance of certain situations or activities. To help your negative self-talk, it can be helpful to identify the thoughts and beliefs that contribute to it and challenge them. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," try reframing your view to "I may not be perfect, but I am doing my best and have many strengths." It can also be helpful to practice positive self-talk, such as affirmations, and to surround oneself with supportive and positive people. Seeking the help of a mental health professional, such as a therapist, can also be beneficial in addressing negative self-talk and improving self-confidence. We hope that you found the tips and strategies we shared helpful and that you feel more empowered to build your confidence. Remember, self-confidence is something that you can develop and improve over time. Therefore, you must be patient with yourself and focus on small, achievable goals. If you have any additional tips or strategies that have helped you build your self-confidence, we'd love to hear about them in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.